rejection, which whether the biggest actor or the smallest actor, we all face it at different levels.
Yeah.
या अगर आपको मुंह पे बोलेंगे या नहीं बोलेंगे, but we all face
Yeah.
rejection.
See, as we were talking about, as an actor, especially as an actor, we face a lot of rejection. You know, the auditions and meetings, and at times, when your director tells you, no, it's not, you're not doing well the way the character should be. So a lot of rejection we face. We become very strong with it. Only I think so. Only an actor will understand this.
Yeah.
But it is very difficult at times. We all want that acceptance, and we're looking forward for that, because that's what it is. Actor's life is not easy at all. You have to look in a certain manner. You want to, obviously, because public eye, you have to be behaving in a certain manner. There's always a pressure, and plus you want to work. So if it's you getting rejected, at times you'll take it nicely, at times you will not, and it gives you somewhere. I have realized with my experience that I don't know when it hits you, and it becomes like a cycle of depression, very close to depression. And then you don't trust yourself. You have doubts about yourself. And that is very scary, because you know yourself, but you still have doubts. And you're not confident then. Your confidence, you lose your confidence. And once an actor loses his confidence, and all the time, you want to, wear different masks and please people. I hate it. I just don't want to do it anymore. And sadly, एक यही इंडस्ट्री है हमारी एक्टर्स की ना, जो हम यूनाइटेड नहीं है.